In the previous video we have already learned about the most common default post types that are included with WordPress, which are posts and pages. In this video, we will see what are some examples of third-party post types that are not included with default WordPress installation, but are commonly used and can be easily added using a WordPress plugin or sometimes even a WordPress theme. For example, if you want to create an e-commerce website, a must-have post type is product. The easiest way to add product post type is to install the WooCommerce plugin, which is free. In addition to adding a post type called products, WooCommerce will also give all the required tools to create a functional online store. Similarly, when creating a store to sell digital goods to download such as software licenses, graphic templates, music, etc., you will need a post type like downloads, which can be added using Easy Digital Downloads plugin. There are also classified plugins and themes that will add a classifieds post type to help list classified ads. Similarly, properties post type can be created with real estate plugins and themes to help list homes or other property listings. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. This video is brought to you by CubeWP. To learn more about our products and services, please visit us at CubeWP.com.